the presence, of course, of Miss Sylvia Sanchez. Ayan, of course, sila po ang mga tao sa likod ng Nathan Studios. Fiang Smith at si J.M. Ibarra. Kasalukuyan po ay nakikita natin na niyayakap ng ating producer na si Miss Sylvia Sanchez, sina Tita Nova, Tita Ces at si Fiang. I would like to request everybody na please stay lang po muna tayo dahil meron pong ipapapanood na teaser ang ating mga producer na Nathan Studios para sa susunod nating dapat abangan. Ito po ay showing na po simula bukas, Picnic May 7, 2025 in theaters nationwide. Kaya naman sa mga nandirito po ngayon, huwag niyo pong kalimutan kung ang inyong mga puso po ay talagang kinurot na habag po tayo na inspire po tayo, i-share niyo po yan sa inyong mga social media accounts without spoiling the movie. Lahat po ba ay handa na po? Eyes on the screen.
Spend ng time nyo dito. Sobrang salamat and I hope nagustuhan yung pelikula and please, please, tulungan nyo kaming i-post to dahil kailangan to. Very Pinoy tong movie na to and kailangan makita to ng mga anak para maiwasan hanggat maaari. Alam natin, marami tayong mga may mabuti, may sutil, na napapariwara. Makita nila na yung nanay pagdating na matanda na, tumanda na, sana hindi maranasan ng ganun. Sana nandun tayo sa tabi ng mga magulang natin. Dahil ako naniniwala ako, pag mahal mo ang nanay mo, kahit anong gawin mo, kahit anong hirap, magiging successful ka. Yun lang talaga. Respeto sa pamilya, respeto sa nanay. And yes, marami pa kaming darating. Yung nakita nyo, I'm perfect, imperfect. Isushoot na namin sa June, July, and this year, ipapalabas yun. Abangan nyo yun. Kasi yung mga bida namin, yung nakita nyo na ganyan, sila yung mga bida namin. So lahat ng mga artista, support po lahat. And advocacy po ng Nathan, yung movie na yon, yung imperfect. So, abangan nyo po yun. Marami pang ipapalabas ang Nathan na sinasabi nga ni Ria. Pag galing sa Nathan, sinisigurado po namin na tatagos po sa puso ng bawat isa. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Again, remind po natin sa lahat ng mga nandito, huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-post. Ilagay niyo po ang official hashtag for tonight, Picnic Premiere Night. At syempre, paglabas po natin ng cinema, meron po tayong mga interviews doon. So sana po ay mapaunlakan po ninyo ang mga interviews at sabihin po ninyo kung ano po yung na-feel ninyo, ano po yung tumagos sa inyong mga puso after watching Picnic. Again, thank you so much for coming. Let's give a round of applause to Tita Ces Quesada, Tita Nova Villa. Napakahusay. First palakpakan din natin Tito Boji Pasqua. Siyempre, ang mga bagets na talagang first time din na nagboses sa isang Korean film. Wala man si JM ngayon, nandyan naman si Fiang Smith. Huwag din po natin kalimutan i-follow po natin ang social media accounts ng Nathan Studios. Meron po tayo sa Facebook, sa Instagram, at sa TikTok. Again, maraming salamat. Have a great evening. Thank you so much!
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, oh. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe